So Bhaiya, since you have owned and ridden several Apaches from the previous generations as well, where is the Apache lineup, like currently heading towards? What does the future look like for the Apache lineup?
To be honest, I don't really know much about what the company is planning to do,
Hmm.
right? Uh, but I would definitely say that they are heading towards a very correct direction, a good
Hmm.
direction, because you see where they started from. They started from the Apache 150 E-Surge,
Hmm.
right? That was a very basic model with 240 disc at the front.
Hmm.
Now, at today's date, we get almost 240 disc at the rear for the
Hmm.
Apache 200 and the RR310.
Hmm.
And the RR310 being their flagship right now, you just go see the bike and you realize how nicely they have actually made the bike, and it has everything that you need and
Hmm.
probably more.
Hmm.
See, people might think the KTM RC sells more, but that's not the case.
Hmm.
When you actually see the sales figures,
Hmm.
KTM never releases the single figures of the RC and the Duke and the or the ADV. They release
Hmm.
a consolidated figure
Hmm.
of all the three combined.
Hmm.
But TVS does release
Hmm.
that they have sold 3, 400, 500 bikes this month, or 281, 296.
Hmm.
That itself is a very clear indication that they know they're selling the most bikes for that particular segment.
Hmm.
It might not be the quickest in the straight line, but I know for a fact that that bike is much faster
Hmm.
around the lap, because when you go around the lap, the power is not everything that you require.
Hmm.
And it's not me who's saying that. You can check Autocar India's timings.
Hmm.
Autocar India has actually ridden it with Rajni Krishnan, and he has clocked faster timing on the RR310 than the RC390 2016 with W rated tires and slipper clutch,
Hmm.
which in fact is a BS3 bike, and this
Hmm.
was a BS4 bike.
Hmm.
And BS3 to BS4, there was a lot of performance hamper,
Hmm.
though RR310 never came out as a BS3 bike.
Hmm.
So as you were asking, they are heading towards a very right direction. I
Hmm.
hope they bring out an ADV very soon,
Hmm.
because that is what the market is demanding right now.
Hmm.
It doesn't matter if the ADV is good or not, but if people see an ADV, they are very excited.
Hmm.
People see the ADV 390, which is very confused, if you ask me.
Yeah, Bhaiya.
They are very happy.
Hmm.
250, very happy.
Hmm.
GS310, even happier now with the price cut.
Hmm.
Himalayan, of course, is a very nice
Hmm.
bike.
Hmm.
The X Pulse, very nice though underpowered.
Hmm.
People are very happy.
Hmm.
TVS is, missing out on such a big market right now
Hmm.
that I can't even, start to imagine if they actually start selling 200cc or 250cc ADVs
Hmm.
with very good specs
Hmm.
on paper as well as real world
Hmm.
performance. I don't know where that is going to, go.
Hmm.